Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with Modesty. Well, today I have my Glossybox to open. And if you're interested in seeing what's in this beat up old box, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I said at the intro, if you're interested in seeing what's in these busted up boxes, yeah, we will find out in a minute. I don't know if you saw my BoxyCharm premium video, but that one was pretty beat up. I'm just thankful that nothing was broken in it. So let's see what happens in this box. But before we do that, I want to do our affirmation for the day, and this is again the Power Thought card. And I do like this box a lot because it's simple. And this is by Louise Hay, and it's a 64 card deck that I got from Amazon. And I really enjoy doing these, and I know a lot of you do also. So let's choose the card for today. Okay, and today we have a card with a lady and scissors and making little birds. Okay, what does it say? I am in the process of positive change. I am in a process of positive change, and I can't agree with that more, because I feel like, I love change, by the way, you guys. I know there's a lot of you out there that really don't like change and that may fear change, but I actually like change. And if it's positive or negative, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. And I choose to be in a positive change, and regardless of what the change may be. And like you guys know, I'm transitioning to a new home with all of the work that has to be done. I mean, redoing the address, which is difficult. I have a lot of professional associations I have to, send in my address change, my work, all of my boxes. I mean, there's a lot of stuff. I can easily turn this into a negative process, but I don't want to do that, because what I'm thinking at the end of that is going to be renewed hope, energy, a new home, more room. I just have to go through the journey. And sometimes the journey may not be all positive, and you're gonna have to experience negative parts of, a journey. But what is the outcome? What is your dream? What is your focus? And what is your final destination? So, might as well put a positive twist to everything going along, because, it carries, right? Nothing is a compartmentalized thing. Like, nothing happens because of one thing. It's a chain of events, okay? And you want those chains to be positive, so that way when you finally reach your destination, you're like, yes, I had a good experience. Okay, I had a hiccup here. Yeah, they changed my address on the 25th when I told them the 1st. But yeah, I mean, those things are gonna happen. It's life, Don't sweat the small things, right? And what I like to say sometimes is, first world problems, guys. First world problems. Really think about it, okay? In the context of what's happening all over the earth. And so I am in the process of positive change, okay? I will have to maybe go speed bump, a big dip. I fell into a hole, but that's okay. I'm going to crawl right back out, because you know what? I have my eyes on that, on that prize, which is a new home and more room and renewed energy. So, yeah. Let's see what it says in the back. Let's see. It says, I am unfolding in fulfilling ways. Only good can come to me. I now express health, happiness, prosperity, and peace of mind. That's your affirmation piece, okay? I am unfolding in fulfilling ways. Only good can come to me. I now express health, happiness, prosperity, and peace of mind. Okay, I'm going to hold this up for you. But you know what? I've been thinking more and more, guys, about writing my own affirmations. But I like to make it a little bit different from what I usually see in a box. And in these boxes is that, you see unfolding in front of you, fulfilling ways, only good can come to me. No, bad things can happen, but I can overcome them. My focus is on the positive outcome. My journey is my learning. Hey, I should have wrote that down. Anyway, yeah, guys, so, I like to, I guess more of a realistic approach, because sometimes people read these and people see me and go, oh my gosh, she's always happy. I mean, nobody can be that happy all the time. No, you're right. I'm not happy all the time. But what do I want my outcome to be? And when I get in front of you guys, this is my outcome, okay? You're not seeing all those little hiccups that I have in my own life, right? But I don't want to share those things with you because you probably have the same thing, so maybe worse, well, maybe better. But I want to share the outcome of my struggles so you guys can see the struggle is worth it, okay? Like my daughter would say sometimes, she said, oh, mommy, it's a struggle. Yeah, I get it, kid. I do get it. But you know what? Keep your eye on that prize. So that's that. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Surprise! I decided to go ahead and embed this surprise giveaway, and I'm going to go ahead and pick a video that didn't do so well in reviews. And those are people who watch my videos like on a daily basis, I notice, regardless of how bad they might be. And so I want to go ahead and say thank you to those people as well. And so let me just pick one with a very few. Okay, there's one right here with just 51 views. And this was the one on August 21st. And it looks like my Erin Condren one. So let's go ahead and grab this one and get the shareable link. And this is my way of saying thank you so much for watching my videos. And I just want to go ahead and just say thank you. And so here is the link. I popped it there. I'm going to filter for duplicate users though. But since I don't have a comment, I'm just going to go ahead and use all of the comments and see how many people commented. You see, there's only 14 unique comments. And so you have a good chance. I mean, only 14 people. So let's go ahead and hit start and see who the lucky winner is. Okay. Oh, Cindy Smith. Congratulations, Cindy Smith. I need the perpetual calendar. I have so many glitches in electronic calendars. I'm all for the paper ones. Me too, Cindy. Okay, one more step. I need to make sure that you are subscribed to me publicly. And so let's go ahead and wait for the page. Okay, taking a while to load. Okay, I can see she's public, but let's see if I am one of the channels she is publicly subscribed to. And let's just go ahead and go down the road. Oh, there's a lot of my fellow YouTubers that is on your list. I'm happy to see that. Oh, and let's see. Let's go down here and see. Oh, there I am. Oh, Modesty. Okay, Cindy, thank you so much and congratulations. You are officially the winner of my surprise giveaway. Please reach out to me. My email address is in the details, so you can contact me on Instagram. So back to regular programming. Okay, now let's go to my beat up. Okay, like this one, right? This had a heck of a journey. I don't think I had a positive journey all the way because look at this box. This box is like really, I mean, it's really bad actually. And so I don't think I'm going to even need to open it in a normal way. I could just like lift the tab and I think people wanted to see what was in here or something. And let's see. Yeah, well, let's go ahead and remove some of the stuff. And, oh, this is the box that I have a hard time with every time. And when I go to open it, it opened. See? Positive. After all this negative, positive. Okie dokie. Okay, there we go. A box within a box. I like saying that. I know it's goofy. Oh, but you know what? My inner box. I won't be able to save this inner box because they even beat up my inner box. Look. I wonder if they look at this. It looks like somebody tried to open it and look and see what's inside, right? That's weird. That's never happened to me with Glossybox. Well, they didn't get far, I'll tell you that, because look, they come like that. And it looks like this ribbon is still in place, unless they lifted up this whole thing. But no, I don't think so. There it is. And so Glossybox is $24.95 a month, and I believe this is my last box as well, because I really had to make a decision on what beauty box do I want to keep, because I have way too much skincare products. And this is predominantly skincare, and so I had to really look and see what came in what, and I did decide to go ahead and keep my Beauty Fix by Dermstore, because for me, I'm getting things in that box that I can use more than I can in these. I mean, there's definitely good products, don't get me wrong, but that's more suited to what I need, and they kind of get my profile right most of the time. Yeah, so, yeah, I think this is my last box. Yeah, watch, I'll get another one. Okay, so I did undo that, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. Since I'm not going to keep the box anyway, so I guess be a little bit more bull in a china shop like. Okay. Oh, this doesn't even want to release. Wow, this is really weird, this box. Okay, so here we go. And it looks like that one's upside down, but here it is. And let's see what I have. And it does tell me on the inside what I have. Doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay, so let's do one thing at a time. Here we go. The first thing in this box is called Glow Recipe. And I think you guys are familiar with this, right? Glow Recipe. This has been around. Oh, I'm not going to open it because it's one of those tear the bag. And in case I don't want to use it, I want to save it because that's actually a pretty good product. Let me see what it is. Okay, Glow Recipe. This is a deluxe mini. It's a good cleanser. Cleanser again. Good cleanser is the first step having healthy glowing skin. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. So, okay, yeah. And this is 30 milliliters, and it's worth $10, but the full size is 160 milliliters, worth $34. Yeah, this is one thing I do like about Glossybox, that they tell you the price of the travel size as well as the full size, and they tell you what is full size, how much is in there, unlike some boxes. And so, yeah, and this is a deluxe mini, but by the description of it, sounds like it would be more appropriate for somebody with normal to combination or oily skin. So I'm going to keep this intact and add it to one of the upcoming giveaways, okay? And so I'll put this aside. And the next thing in a box is full big. Oh, I know this company, Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion, and I do like this company. This looks like full size though. Look at it. It's Cetaphil. And I do like this company a lot. And they don't put fragrance in their stuff, I don't think. At least none of the stuff I got from them before does. But let me look. Okay, this is full size. Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. This nourishing lightweight formula intensely replenishes skin hydration for 48 hours. It features the hydrosensitive complex, which deep dynamic hydration and soothes skin sensitivity. The hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin E help to hydrate the skin. And this is full size. And the retail price on it, there's another reason why I like this company. It's $9.99. That is more, I mean, and then the thing is, people are like, oh, $9.99 can't be that good. You know what, guys? It's not as expensive as you think to create, to produce these. Okay, but when you put all that money in marketing and, you know, all those things, it starts to add up. And plus, if your profit margin is like, you know, 200%, yeah, you're going to see it expensive. But you know what? This is a good product. Cetaphil is really good. Actually, this is medically recommended, this company, for certain skin, like eczema and things like that. So, yeah, but you're not going to see a high price on these. And there is definitely, okay, there's hyaluronic acid. I see it here. And there is fragrance-free. Okay? And directions: apply daily, generously on skin all over your body. And this I will keep because I do like the brand. And I like moisturizers like this. Let me see. I think there's, and this is for the body, dry, dehydrated skin. I definitely have that. So this is actually perfect. So I will keep this. And I like the product. I'm glad to have it. And the next thing here, you know what? I'm missing a lot of stuff in this box. That's it. There's only like 4 things. I'm missing, yeah, somebody got into the box because I'm missing one, just one product. And it's a makeup product that's missing. Interesting. Let me make sure. Yeah, it is. It's missing this lipstick here. The melon lipstick. It's not in here. So, okay, I will reach out to them and say, number one, my box came all beat up. And matter of fact, I'll give them a link to this video so they can see it. Okay. So the next thing in the box is LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Here it is. And let's read about it. That is a travel size. It's made with powerful marine and plant actives, including Padina, Parvamraca, Chlorella, and Ginseng biloba. This anti-aging formula is clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines. And this sample here is $45. It's 30 mils. And the 50 mil full size is $128. And let me see here. I'm looking for fragrance. This thing is written so tiny, but it has so many ingredients. Look at how tiny it is. I still can't see it with my magnifying glass. And so I'm going to have to look. And depending, I may try it. Don't know. Depends if there's fragrance. I won't. Okay, the last item in my box is Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity. This conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine, perfect for the hot, humid weather. And this sample is $2.99, and then the full size is $4.79. That's weird. 50 mil is $2.99 and 355 mil is $4.79. There's got to be a typo. Yeah, maybe they meant $14.95, but yeah, that math doesn't add up. Here it is. Okay, and I have what I need for my hair, and I kind of stick to it, so I will go ahead and throw this into the giveaway. But guys, that's it, because I am missing a product here. So, oh, am I missing two? I'm actually missing two. I should have also gotten the hair tie, which is the Invisible Slim Marvelous You're Great. Yeah, this piece here. So I will go ahead and contact Glossybox and say, my box number 1 came beat up. Number 2, I'm missing 2 products. Not good. Okay. Yeah, I just hope people, I hope it's a mistake by Glossybox and not somebody stole it, because that's sad. That really is. And I don't know. I just never can imagine that people will not take things from other people, especially if they've paid for it or something like that. I could never bring myself to do that. You know, it's different if you're starving and, you know, you're homeless or something, and there's an extra loaf of bread there. I mean, that's survival, you know, it is what it is. But for things like this, it makes me sad. So anyway, so Glow Recipe, it is a cleanser by Cetaphil, a moisturizing body lotion, keratin protein hair conditioner, and Elemis Skin Anti-Aging Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And that's what it is. And as I said, I'm missing 2 products, which is the, again, the Cab Cosmetics Juicy Melon Lip Oil and the Invisible Marabella Your Great Slim Hair Tie. I could have used that. But okay, it is what it is. I will go ahead and, like I said, contact them and say, hey, you guys, let me show you. And here's a link to my video if you want details, because I don't know if I got the energy to do this again. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, let me know what you think. But you know what? I'm happy for the things that I did receive, and I definitely will use this. But, I mean, these are good products. So, you know, these are things probably going into the future giveaway. These 2, definitely. This, I'll have to think about it. So, yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you're having a good week or a weekend whenever you're watching this, right? As I always say. And so, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you're not subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, then ringing that bell, and then selecting all. So that way, you know, every time I upload a new video. My mind is already talking to Glossybox, guys. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.